Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my first aid kit and I wanted to show you guys kind of how it looks and what it all comes with. So here we go. So this is what it looks like. It's nice, it's waterproof, I can tell. It's got this airtight zipper on it too. Wow. Oh, that's totally gonna be airtight. So this is perfect if you have a boat or anything. But there's plenty of stuff in here. I mean, the amount of tools on this is crazy. It has everything you can need. Here's all the tools. I mean, just to tell you a few, it has bandages, circle bandages, knuckle bandages, butterfly bandages, moleskin gauze, sterile gauze, face mask, gloves, tape, emergency blanket, a face shield, forehead temperature patches, cotton swabs, tourniquet, metal scissors, metal whistle. I mean, it's got everything in here. So, for example, here's the emergency blanket it comes with. These are the gloves. It comes with everything you can need. Here's, cotton swabs, cotton balls. It comes with this big, it's got everything in here. It's got this, which is the adhesive you put around like your arm if you're taking blood or something. It's got the needles in here. It's got, well, not needles. It has like the pins to hold up your stuff. It's got antiseptic wipes. It's got a little compass even. I mean, this is perfect for somebody if you want to take it out camping, or if you just want to leave it in your house even under a sink, or take it with you, to the beach, or leave it in your car. This is perfect because it's waterproof and it has everything you need in it. It has all of this stuff in it. So this is great. I like it. Plus it has this little thing here so you can attach it somewhere and have it just hanging on a string. So this is perfect. I like it. Thumbs up.